Welcome back to the Master Digger channel. We're here in Cambridge, Ontario. We're at a job here. They demoed a house. We're here. We're gonna redig the hole. Mike's over there talking to the builder. We got some pins set up. He's got his built the total station set up. Got all the pins lined up. So we're gonna start redigging this hole. He just checked in the middle here. We gotta go down about a foot. So it's gonna be a quick dig. So yeah, let's get at it.
Guitar, bring the banjo too. Fiddles and harmonicas, we got a crew. Down by the barn where the moon shines bright. We're kicking off the night, feeling alright. Picking and a strumming, everybody's humming. Toes tapping in the dirt, yeah, the party's drumming. From the holler to the hill, we hear the call. It's a country jam session, y'all. It's a country jam session, let the music roll. Feel the rhythm in your soul, let it take control. Impromptu beats and melodies sweet. We're rocking this night with the country street heat. Fireflies dancing, lanterns hang high. Crack open the cold one, reach for the sky. Banjos are plucking, fiddles crying out. Ain't no doubt, this is what it's all about. The rhythm hits your heart, makes you wanna stomp. Bass thumping hard like a wild buck bump. Acoustic, electric, blending just right. This country jam session's taking flight. It's a country jam session, let the music roll. Feel the rhythm in your soul, let it take control. Impromptu beats and melodies sweet. We're rocking this night with the country street heat. From the city lights to the countryside, people gather round, feel the pride. It's the sound of freedom, the tune of the land, played by callous fingers in a farmer's hand. It's a country jam session, let the music roll. Feel the rhythm in your soul, let it take control. Impromptu beats and melodies sweet. We're rocking this night with the country street heat. So grab your strings and let them sing. Tambourines and drums hear them ring. Underneath the stars we're shining bright. In this country jam session, tonight's our night.
Well, that was a sped up version of how you dig a house. So we got it all dug. Got a couple more loads to take out over here. Mikey's down there slapping the footing together. Not sure if the concrete's coming tomorrow or the next day. But yeah, if you like this stuff, like it, subscribe, comment, do all the things. We're finally getting back at it, so hopefully some more videos to come. Alright, catch you on the next one. See ya.